Good morning everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I am discussing the last topic of Unit 4, that is Information System for Strategic Advantage. It is an important topic. Many times in exam it has been asked again and again. It is asked, so it is important topic. For internal exam also, Information System for Strategic Advantage. So first of all, learn what is strategy. Strategy simply means long-term planning. It is written over here. Strategy is the determination of the basic long-term purpose and objectives of an enterprise and the adoption of courses of action and allocation of resources necessary for carrying out these goals. So strategy means long-term planning for purpose and objective of enterprise and also fulfilling action and allocation of resources for carrying out goals. Second, strategic role of information system. So we must know why strategy is important in information system. What is the role of strategy in information system? So strategic role of information system involves using to develop products, services and capabilities that give company major advantage over the competitive forces it faces in the global marketplace. Global means all over the world. It means पूरी दुनिया में competition face करने के लिए if we are having proper strategies in our information system, then only we can face the competition in the whole world, in the whole global place. Information systems that promote business innovation means new ways, new ideas, improve operational efficiency, means information system will be so innovative, so operational efficiency will improve, product, services and capabilities will improve if we are having strategic role, if we are having strategies in our information system. Here are some types of strategies. Let's have a look. Competitive strategies. It includes cost leadership strategy. Competition में बने रहने के लिए आपको cost leadership means you will have to reduce your cost. It means become a low cost producer of product and service. कम cost में products बनाएं. Find ways to help suppliers or customers reduce their cost. Supplier को एक बोलें कि कॉस्ट कम करें सो डेट प्राइस भी कम होगा. सो कॉम्पिटिशन में बने रहेंगे. इफ़ योर प्राइस इज़ लो इट विल ओनली बी पॉसिबल इफ़ योर कॉस्ट इज़ लो. सेकेंड स्ट्रेटजी इन कॉम्पिटेटिव स्ट्रेटजीज, डिफ्रेंशिएशन स्ट्रेटजी मीन्स आपका प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंट भी होना चाहिए देन योर कॉम्पिटिटर. इट मीन्स डेवलपिंग वेज टू डिफ्रेंशिएट अ फर्म्स प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज फ्रॉम इट्स कॉम्पिटिटर. कॉम्पिटिटर से आपका प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. Also reduce the differentiation advantages of competitors means something different, something unique features must be in your product. So these are competitive strategies. It includes cost leadership strategies and differentiation strategies. Second strategy, innovation strategy. Innovation means something new. So innovation is the definition of innovation strategies, finding new way of doing business means business को करने का new way and enter new market. Also, third strategy is growth strategy. It means expanding into global market. Growth means आप अपने business को expand करें. Expanding into global means all over the world. Diversifying means change into product and services. Product and services को diversify करें. Also, integration into related product or services. Integrate means combine product और services को और add करते जाएं in your product line. So that's growth strategy to expand business. And last but not least, fourth strategy, alliance strategy. Alliance means establish alliances with customer, supplier, competitor and other companies. So these are alliance strategy means सबके साथ एक relationship maintain करना with your customer, supplier, competitor, also other companies and competitors. So that's all about strategies. So these strategies must be put in information system so that we can get advantages for information system for strategic advantage. So we can get better advantages by using information system for strategies if it is having strategy. Strategy means long term planning. Many types of strategies are here. So if they are included in information system, then only we will be able to compete in the market with our competitors and will have good reputation in market and will have good market share. Also customer will come to our organization. So information system must be good. It must have strategies included. So that's the topic for today. Unit 4 is finished today. Next I will discuss tomorrow. Thank you for listening.